Ever wanted to create stunning animated videos, but thought it was too complicated? Well, think again. With Canva's AI-powered animation tools, you can bring your designs to life in just a few clicks, whether you want fun motion graphics or photorealistic animated scenes. Okay, this is a first for me, but today I'm making 2 videos in Canva using a free account. One with fun, cartoon-style animations, and one that looks way more realistic. If you thought Canva was just for slides and social posts, get ready to have your mind blown. So now I'm in ChatGPT, and I've asked it to help me write my story. I want to make a story about a little boy who celebrated Christmas all year long. Here's what it gave me, including the scene, the camera movement, and the narration. So I've got all that included here, and it looks pretty good. I did make one change to one of the scenes. So there is my story about the boy who loves to celebrate Christmas all year long. The next thing I'm going to do is take this and make the narration. So let's go there next. Now I'm in 11 Labs, and I'm going to take my narration that I got from ChatGPT and put it into 11 Labs. So I've pasted it all in. Now I need to find a voice. So I came over here to Voices, and I hunted through several of them. If you need to listen to them, just click on the triangles, and you can hear what the voice sounds like. I have already chosen my voice. I chose Will, so now I'm going to come right here and hit Generate Speech. Alright, so if you want to hear it again, you can click right here. If you need to regenerate it because there was a problem, you click there, but I'm going to come over here and click this and download it. Now, I'm ready to go on to my next step. I'm inside Canva and I'm using a free account. I'm going to come right here and click on Make Me an Image. So I'll click on that and it'll open up Dreamlab. I'll paste in my first prompt from ChatGPT. Now I'm going to choose 16 by 9 and I'll click Create. And here's where it's actually making the images for me. Click here to look at them. I actually think I'll add one more thing in here. Let's see what this does. So I'll choose this one. Now I'll download it. Let's go grab the next prompt and do the same thing. Choose 16 by 9 and click on Create. So repeat this process on all your images. All right. Once you've made all the images, it's time to go on to the next step.
Some kids love Christmas, but Oliver, he lives for it. While others packed away their lights and ornaments, Oliver kept his holiday spirit glowing all year. Even in the summer heat, Oliver found a way to keep the Christmas magic alive. While everyone else was carving pumpkins, Oliver was busy turning Halloween candy into a Christmas wonderland. And when Christmas finally arrived, Oliver wasn't just ready. He had been celebrating all along.
I'm in Canva using a free account, and I'm going to turn my prompts into short videos this time. So I'll go up here to Video and click on that and choose Landscape. Now I'm going to Elements, then scroll down here to this and click on Generate Your Own. This is where I'll add my prompt from ChatGPT. You could choose image or graphic, but this time, choose videos. When you're ready, click Generate. Okay, and now it's made this for us. And I've added it to the page here. So let's make the next scene. And we'll put it right here. Then repeat this process over and over for all your prompts until you are through creating mini videos. And when you're done, you can download it to share.
Some kids love Christmas, but Oliver, he lives for it. While others packed away their lights and ornaments, Oliver kept his holiday spirit glowing all year. Even in the summer heat, Oliver found a way to keep the Christmas magic alive. While everyone else was carving pumpkins, Oliver was busy turning Halloween candy into a Christmas wonderland. And when Christmas finally arrived, Oliver wasn't just ready. He had been celebrating all along.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.